Hi everyone, this is Afran Banu. Today I am going to present you a topic on the application layer. The application layer, there is a need for support protocols to allow the applications to functions. DNS, domain namespace, which handles naming within the internet. After that, we will examine three real applications, which are electronic mail, the World Wide Web, and finally multimedia. So here basically what it means, application layer is one of the important layers from transport control protocols or internet protocol, which allows the applications to functions using different support protocols. Next topic, DNS means the domain name system. When thousands of mini computers and PCs were connected to the net, everyone realized that this approach could not continue to work forever. For one thing, the size of the file would become too large. And also, hierarchical domain based naming scheme and a distributed database system for implementing this naming scheme. It is primarily used for mapping host names and email destinations to IP addresses, but can also be used for many other purposes. So we all know that DNS domain name system earlier, when multiple computers are connected to the internet subsystem, when multiple computers are connected to the internet subsystem, it was realized that the size of the file would become too large, and hence this approach could not continue to work forever. And the hierarchy of domain naming system includes domain based naming scheme and also distributed database system for implementing the naming scheme, which is primarily used for mapping host names and email destinations to internet protocol or IP addresses. Next topic, a portion of the internet domain namespace. In this diagram, the domain namespace, it shows generic and countries. In this generic, there are int, com, educational, government, mil, organization, net, jp, us, ni. In countries, there is ni, oce, vu, cs, etc. The top level domains comes in two flavors, generic and countries. The original generic domain were commercial, educational institution, government, federal, certain international organization. MIL means the US Armed Forces, net means network providers, and org means non-profit organizations. And also domain names are case insensitive. So edu and in capital edu means the same thing. Component names can be up to 63 characters long, and full path name must not exceed 255 characters. So basically here domain names are case insensitive, and component names are having 63 characters, and it does not exceed 255 characters. Next topic, resource records. Every domain, whether it is a single host or a top level domain, can have a set of resource records associated with it. For a single host, the most common resource record is just its IP address. But many other kinds of resource records also exist. Domain name, time to live, class type, value. Next point, the domain name tells the domain to which this record applies. Normally, many records exist for each domain, and each copy of the database holds information about multiple domains. So, as we know that we have a set of records associated with every domain, irrespective of whether it is a single host or a top level domain. There are many kinds of resource exits, but for a single host, the most common resource record is its IP address. And domain name has its functionality, which tells the domain to which that particular records apply. There might be many records exits for each domain, and each copy of the database holds information about multiple domains. And next topic, name servers. A single name server could contain the entire DNS database and respond to all queries about it. This server would be so overloaded as to be useless. If it ever went down, the entire internet would not work. To avoid the problem associated with having only a single source of information, the DNS namespace is divided into non-overlapping zones. So basically, all queries of the entire DNS database would be responded by a single name server. The server would be so overloaded that it ever went down and the entire internet stops working. The DNS namespace is divided into non-overlapping zones in order to get rid of the problems of having a single source of information. Here we can see in this diagram there are generic and countries. In this generic components such as int, com, educational, government, MIL, organization, net, JP, US, NI. In commercial, SUN, English, and educational, Yale, English, CS, AI, Linda, robot. And also in countries, NI, in that NI, OCE, VU, in VI, CS, flits and flute. Where the zone boundaries are placed within a zone is up to that zone's administrators. This decision is made in large part based on how many name servers are desired and where. For example, Yale has a server for Yale.education that handles English.Yale.education but not CS.Yale.education, which is a separate zone with its own name servers. Such a decision might be made when a department such as English does not wish to run its own name server. Departments such as computer science does, and consequently cs.al.education is a separate zone but english.al.education is not. So basically what it means, a zone administrator has its own zone boundaries within a zone based on how many name servers are desired and where the decision is made in large part. For example, here we can see Yale has a server for Yale.education that handles English.Yale.education but not cs.yale.education, and also cs.yale.education is a separate zone but english.yale.education is not. Thank you.